What do dreams of wildcats mean? A fierce wildcat prowling through your nighttime visions stirs primal energy. What untamed aspects of yourself hide behind your subconscious when you dream of wildcats? Unleash the mysteries by exploring this feline dream symbol. Do these mighty hunters symbolize your hidden strengths, yearning for freedom? Let's find out. What is the broad meaning of wildcat dreams? Dreaming of a wildcat symbolizes your desire to unleash your primal, wild nature. You yearn to embrace your fierce independence and unapologetic authenticity. Approach this symbolic wildness with courage. Allow your raw power to roar. Wildcat dreams hint at your yearning to confront challenges with tenacious determination. You wish to tackle obstacles head-on, using your intuitive survival skills. An opportunity for profound self-empowerment awaits. Boldly channel the wildcat's feral spirit. For profound dream interpretation, avail yourself of the contextual details of your wildcat dreams. You could have been cooped up in the office for too long. One sunny weekend, you impulsively drive to the mountains. Arriving at the trailhead, you ditch your shoes and run barefoot on the dirt path. In this moment, you feel grounded and accessible. Reaching a waterfall, you strip down and plunge into the icy pool, unleashing your wild spirit. Your time during this weekend seems like a dream of moving far away from your stresses. What is the meaning of a wildcat attack in your dream? Dreaming of a wildcat attack mirrors your struggle to confront repressed anger. Part of you seeks to unleash unbridled ferocity, while another urges caution. Approach this symbolic confrontation with self-awareness. Aim to harness your power responsibly. This vision hints at external conflicts or threats you perceive in your waking life. You may need to courageously defend yourself or boldly assert boundaries. An opportunity for profound self-protection arises if you channel the wildcat spirit judiciously. You may have bottled up frustration towards your partner for months over broken promises. One night, a minor disagreement erupts into a heated argument. You exchange painful words as hidden anger boils over. Though difficult, confronting these buried emotions clears the air. The argument allows you both to communicate honestly and heal the rift. The honesty will help both of you sleep well without dreaming of fighting with someone. Why can you dream of being chased by a wildcat? Dreams of being chased by a wildcat reflect feeling hunted by your untamed desires. You may feel overwhelmed by aspects of yourself that feel wild and uncontrolled. Strive to assert mastery over your instinctual drives. Wildcat chases in dreams suggest you are fleeing from confronting your raw, authentic power. You may resist fully embracing your fierce independence and most authentic self. An opportunity for profound self-acceptance beckons. Summon the courage to face the metaphorical wildcat's pursuit. Consider that you constantly find yourself distracted at work. Your mind repeatedly wanders to fantasies of quitting your job. You want to pursue your lifelong dream of becoming a writer. Some writing ideas relentlessly hunt you, making it difficult to focus on your daily tasks. You feel torn between the stability of your current path and the call for creative passions. What does it mean when you dream of petting a wildcat? Petting a wildcat in dreams symbolizes your desire to tame and domesticate your unbridled nature. You seek to harness your raw power while maintaining control. Approach this symbolic act of gentleness with caution. Dreams of petting a wildcat hint at your yearning to forge a bond with your savage self. You wish to cultivate acceptance and familiarity with aspects you may typically resist. A chance for profound self-integration arises. Treat the metaphorical wildcat with reverence. You may be living under a period of reckless behavior and impulsive decisions. Finally, you realize the need for more structure and discipline in your life. You begin implementing routines, setting boundaries, and practicing mindfulness techniques. Through this process, you aim to find a balance between spontaneity and self-control. You want to channel your energy into more productive pursuits. You are tired of the suicide dreams from your carelessness. What is the meaning of an injured wildcat in dreams? Dreaming of an injured wildcat signifies a wound to your fierce independence and unbridled spirit. Perhaps you feel your authenticity has been compromised or your power diminished. Approach this symbolic vulnerability with self-compassion. Allow yourself to heal. An injured wildcat dream suggests your primitive instincts are hampered or suppressed. You may struggle to unleash your raw intensity fully. A chance for deeper self-empowerment knocks if you carefully tend to the wildcat's wounds. After years of a carefree lifestyle, you marry and start a family. However, domestic responsibilities and societal expectations leave you feeling constricted. Your previous fierce nature now feels like a burden and has to be hidden. You have a family to care for and wouldn't want them taking after your wild nature. What does it mean to dream of hunting a wildcat? Hunting a wildcat in dreams shows your desire to conquer and subdue your primal urges. You seek to gain dominance over your fierce instinctual drives. Face this hunt with mindfulness. Your dream hints at your yearning to harness and channel your unbridled authenticity. You wish to capture the essence of your most genuine, uninhibited self. Pursue the metaphorical wildcat with skill and respect. Picture that you wake up craving a sugary breakfast. However, you decide on a protein-rich meal instead. At night, the smell of pancakes tempts you during dinner. You, however, order an omelet. After work, friends invite you for drinks, but you decline. You decide to head to the gym to work on your physical appearance. You don't want to entertain your careless side because of the risk of overindulgence. Why can you dream of taming a wildcat? Dreams of taming a wildcat symbolize your desire to harness and control your unbridled self. You seek to integrate your fierce independence while maintaining composure. Approach this symbolic taming with patience. True mastery requires consistent dedication. Taming a wildcat in dreams suggests your yearning to forge a harmonious relationship with your authentic self. You wish to embrace aspects you typically resist, finding balance. Gracefully tame the metaphorical wildcat within. You feel angry towards a colleague who missed an important deadline. Rather than lashing out, you take a deep breath and calmly explain your concerns. You resist the urge to send an angry email. Instead, you suggest a meeting to discuss the issue professionally. You wouldn't want to dream of fighting someone because of understandable problems. Better ways to handle disappointments is through mature approaches. What does dreaming of a wildcat in a cage mean? Dreaming of a wildcat in a cage symbolizes your struggle to confine and restrain your fierce nature. You seek to impose boundaries on your fierce independence and raw authenticity. Approach this symbolic caging with self-awareness, lest you smother your vital spark. In dreams, a caged wildcat hints at your yearning to liberate aspects of yourself you've suppressed. You wish to unleash the parts of your spirit constrained by societal expectations. An opportunity for profound self-expression knocks. Summon the courage to open the metaphorical cage. You're out with friends when someone mocks you. A part of you wants to strike back, but you take a deep breath and walk away. You're willing to entertain the constant battle to control the urge for retaliation. Some words usually feel hurtful, but you wouldn't want to lose your cool. What is the meaning of a wildcat cub in dreams? Dreams of a wildcat cub represent your desire to nurture and cultivate your primal, wild essence. You seek to tenderly foster the growth of your fierce independence and raw authenticity. Approach this symbolic cub gently, allowing your wildness to blossom organically. A wildcat cub in dreams hints at your wish to rediscover and reclaim your youthful spirit. You wish to rekindle the pure, uninhibited aspects of yourself. An opportunity for profound rejuvenation awaits. It would be best if you lovingly embrace the metaphorical cub within. Maybe you feel confined by societal norms and expectations. On a weekend getaway, you hike deep into the forest. Here, you let the surrounding beauty awaken your careless side. You take time to breathe crisp air and listen to birds sing. The melodies make you want to scream like a madman to let your emotions out. What does it mean to dream of a wildcat protecting its young? This dream symbolizes your fierce determination to safeguard your deepest values and priorities. You seek to fiercely shield the aspects of life that matter most from harm or compromise. Approach this symbolic protection with unwavering resolve. Dreams of a protective wildcat suggest your yearning to nurture your independence and authenticity. You wish to foster the growth of your uninhibited, primal self. A chance for profound self-preservation arises if you channel maternal ferocity. Your boss pressures you to take shortcuts that compromise your ethical standards. Despite the risk of pushback, you refuse. You explain to him that transparency is non-negotiable for you. Standing firm costs you a promotion. However, safeguarding your deepest values outweighs personal gain. You sleep soundly, your conscience clear, and without dreaming of being stabbed in the back. What is the meaning of killing a wildcat in your dream? Dreams of killing a wildcat symbolize your desire to subdue and eliminate your innate urges. You seek to extinguish aspects of your fierce independence and raw authenticity. Approach this symbolic slaying with caution lest you destroy vital parts of your spirit. In dreams, slaying a wildcat hints at your yearning to overcome challenges threatening your freedom. You wish to conquer obstacles hampering your ability to live authentically. Summon the courage to defeat what constrains you metaphorically. You catch yourself mindlessly reaching for another cookie after already indulging. Recognizing this greed, you pause and put the cookie down. You then opt to drink a glass of water instead. Later, you're tempted to binge-watch shows. However, you remind yourself of your goals and decide to close the streaming app. Step by step, you are working towards a more mature approach to becoming productive. What does it mean when you dream of befriending a wildcat? Your dream symbolizes your desire to embrace and integrate your inborn nature. You seek to forge a harmonious bond with your fierce independence and raw authenticity. Approach the symbolic friendship with respect, accepting the wildcat's feral essence. Dreams of befriending a wildcat also hint at your yearning to connect deeply with your most authentic self. You wish to cultivate an intimate relationship with aspects of yourself you may typically resist. An option for profound self-acceptance arises. Extend a metaphorical paw in friendship. You feel boxed in by societal constraints and long for freedom. On a solo camping trip, you let go, swimming naked under the stars. Here, you get to say whatever you want without others judging you. Lying by the fire, you feel a profound connection to your authentic self. This freedom pushes you to be more open about who you are. Wildcats in dreams reveal your untamed passions stirring underneath. This feral vision urges you to liberate your raw, primal desires. Will you remain caged and domesticated, or unleash the ferocious wildcat within to stalk your wildest ambitions fearlessly? Pounce on the opportunities this uncaged dream presents. Your unbridled potential awaits.